variable naming. Whenever you're writing variables, functions, or coding in any language, there's usually a set of standards or a style guide that you should follow. In the case of Python, that style guide is known as PEP8, and it defines things like the spacing you should have within your code, the way you should write variables, classes, etc. So if we have a look at this example here, this is actually the exact same code as what we had before, but now it's rewritten to be cleaner and to use valid variable names. And notice that right away, when I start reading through this code, even if I'm not a programmer, I can pretty much understand exactly what this is doing because I've written the variable names much more descriptively, and I've taken that extra minute or two to make sure the code is actually readable. So again, if we go back to this one, try to understand what this is doing. We have I, we have TP, CUST, balance, process data, nothing is descriptive. Even in the data here, all of the different attribute names or keys in our dictionary just really aren't clear. Whereas if we switch over to the fixed version, you can see that we now have filter active customers. We're taking in a list of customers. We have a more descriptive doc string here that explains what this is doing. We have valid customers as our list. We're not using I when we're iterating over customers. We're using something like customer. We're checking the type is active. Everything is just so much easier to understand. And really all we did is we just changed a few variable names here and cleaned up the code so that anyone, even if they weren't a programmer, would be able to read this.